Is how to find saved video on YouTube. Now, if you are on your YouTube on a mobile phone, iPhone, Android, or a computer, you can always save videos to watch later or in a playlist. I will show you how to find them. So, for example, I want to save it this specific video, so I just tap on save over here on the video, and you can create a new playlist or just tap on watch later and tap on done. Alright, now to find this specific video we should go to main menu. On the home page you will see your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, so proceed to your profile and then you just scroll down a little bit and you will see playlist. Next to playlist, tap on view all and then you will see watch later. Tap on this specific playlist. Alright, once you're here you can sort this specific playlist wherever you want. You can shuffle it, you can also download this playlist, or you can delete one of your watch later videos. Just tap on three dots and remove from watch later.